Hello, my name is Adolfo Neto. I'm a professor at the Federal University of Technology, Paraná. And here I am to talk about Livebook. I have recorded a video a few months ago about Livebook. Now Livebook version 0.5 is out. There are many interesting new things. And what I'm going to show is an idea. It's not a really original idea about using Livebook for Erlang. So there are three ways to run Livebook using Docker and using Elixir. But here in this video, I'm going to use fly.io. I have this instance of Livebook, Adolf nt2.fly. I'm going to create a new notebook for Erlang. And everybody knows that we can call an Erlang function using Elixir. You just have to put this and, for instance, rand.uniform. We evaluate this. It's taking some time, but it's going to return a number between 0 and 1. Failed to set up runtime. What's happening? Maybe this is broken. Let me try again. Oh, now it seems to be working. Oh, let me type everything again. It's Livebook for Erlang. And this is the simple case call an Erlang function. And what's really interesting about Livebook is that you have Erlang's help here. So it's not working as expected, but okay, you should. Yes, I'll have to add a new one here. Let me type rand module. Maybe, oh, now it works. Rand, this module. No, it doesn't work. This module provides a pseudo-random number generator, blah, 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 blah. So you can read about, is this the one which is deprecated or no? Or is it random that's deprecated? No. Yes. Random is kind of deprecated and rand better. Okay. If I call rand.uniform 100, it will return a number between 0 and 99, I believe. No, it's as I saw 100, it's going to return a number between 1 and 100. Okay, so what's the idea for Livebook for Erlang? Let me go to my GitHub page, github.com/AdolfoNT. Let me go to this repository. And there is this thinking about Elixir and advent of code 2021. Let me go to day 1. Yes, here is a module, an Erlang module. What I really would like to happen is that I could copy this. Maybe there should be an plus Erlang here, a plus Erlang button here, and then I would copy this and then evaluate. And it would work. It doesn't. It only works if it's an Elixir module. I believe I have an Elixir module here. No, this is only a Livebook. No, I believe I have this for previous years. See, this is an Elixir module. I click button here, evaluate, it works, but it doesn't work for an Erlang module. So that's what I would like to have for Livebook for Erlang, the ability to type or paste an Erlang module, and it should be able to compile it and allow me to execute my own functions, not only those functions that come from Erlang. But by the way, this is great, right? You can read Erlang's documentation on Livebook. Great work by the Livebook team. Great work by everyone involved in all the libraries that are used by Livebook. Okay, that's it. And regarding this idea, I believe that the Erlef, I'm not sure it's the right one. No, because it's GitHub Erlang Ecosystem Foundation. Erlang Ecosystem Foundation page on GitHub. I believe it's the there are many repositories. Where's the education? Yes, the education working group, education training and adoption working group. The issues are here. Wow, it's not here. Where is it? Let me try to find it, but I'm sure it's here. It's on the GSOC, Google Summer of Code. The Erlang Ecosystem Foundation has applied to the Google Summer of Code 2022. So there are some ideas. You can create an issue here. And I have created one with this idea of Livebook for Erlang. But that's all we have so far. If you take a look at this other idea, I believe this one is from a previous year. Yes, there are much more details. So right now, all I have is this broad idea about Livebook for Erlang. If you want to to be a recipient of one of the Google Summer of Code scholarships. Here are the ideas for 2020. Then you should. I'm going to leave the links for this page and this in the Livebook for Erlang issue, and this one. If you are interested, get in touch. Okay. So that's it. See you later. Bye bye.